Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. And say good morning to my beautiful wife here, Mrs. Smooth on the stream, guys. We are open, market's open. Sorry for the late start, guys, but we are actually primed and ready for a move. I'm thinking a move, maybe back up to the VWAP, but we have been on a downtrend. So let's take a look at that 30-minute real quick before we get started. Market has been respecting these Tory trend lines, tan lines, whatever you want to call them. They've been respected here as support and now being respected as resistance. So maybe we come up here to test it one more time and then a fall, or maybe we find support on it and continue higher. Right now, the MV wave on the 30-minute is red, so we're probably going to see maybe continuation to the downside and maybe come and test this Tory down here in 380s. And maybe we'll find support on that. We'll see. We'll see. Keep our eyes open for it. Right now on the more valuable short-term time frames, we are seeing a little bit of chop right now. It's move to the downside followed by support, maybe a move to the upside. We'll wait for it to kind of break free and we'll make some decisions after that. ES right now is also looking like it wants to take out some higher targets. Let's see real quick, make sure our settings are correct here. Okay, we're good. Perfect. All right. So ES did hit a couple of targets. Now she's moving higher along with the NQ, both moving higher. Let's see what the rest of the markets are doing. We'll take a look in just a second. I've been busy working on something else here, guys, so I didn't get a chance to see too much behind the scenes on some of the other markets. Okay.
Give me a second.
No problem. Okay. Max 7s this morning. Ooh, look at the Max 7s. Had a quick push to the upside, now pushing down. Okay. Let's look at NVIDIA. Oh, what happened there? Was this Max? No, it looks like my charts reset. Sorry about that. Yeah, we had a thunderstorm over the weekend, so it looks like all my charts are resetting. I hate when that happens. Let's go with mags. Yeah, sorry, mags are doing the opposite. Yeah, we'll fix that in just a moment. Come back here. Markets are pushing to the downside. Looks like we might have Johnny taking a trade here soon, if his settings are correct. He has a brand new eval. He's starting right now, brand new eval. So we might see Johnny take a trade here in just a moment. That'll be a trade to the downside. Let's see if he does. Let's see if he does go short. All right, we have the signal fired and rejected. Why did it get rejected? All right, we got the signal rejected on Johnny. Let me check why. Yeah, that sucks. Okay, we got a rejected signal. Why did it get rejected?
Let me get your phone just in case.
Oh, I think I know why. What's up, baby?
Let me get your phone just in case, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think I know why.
There, nothing went down.
Yeah. All right. All right, that should work. That should work. Okay. Say good morning to the crew here in just a moment. Looks like markets are pushing to the downside. The 5 minutes looking really heavy. And, yeah, we're rejecting. We're rejecting. We are rejecting. Let's see what happens here. I don't think we have any support left. Yeah, we might be pushing. She might want to take this, she might want to try to take the overnight low down at 29,540s. That's what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. Rejected pretty hard there. Let me say good morning. What's up, Joni? Thank you for joining us nice and early this morning. What's up, Joey? What's up, Pecos? Man, it's been a while, man. I haven't seen you here in a little bit. He says first time listener, long time caller. Isn't it the other way around? What's up, Paul? Paul, good morning. Paul says, good morning, traders. Up until I bought this large bag of chips, I thought the air was free. Oh, yeah. You get mostly air when you buy chips. We've been saying that for a long time now. What's up, Penny? Happy Monday, says Penny. Good luck to everyone. My target is 29.55, says Penny. Wow, you're going way down there, Penny. Babe, say good morning to everybody.
Good morning, everyone.
All right, she says good morning. What are you looking for here, babe? You looking for a move to the downside, you thinking? What
I always try to go up.
You always like the longs better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, the 15-minute is pretty dumpy looking. Shorts are probably going to dominate. Just dangerous to trade against the trend, you know that? I'm gonna try to trade a take profit trader live account I have. I don't know if it's gonna work because I took all the money out of it, but I think it still has some drawdown. I just don't know how to. Really don't know how to tell. I really don't know with these live accounts. All right, we're gonna push a little bit of a push back up, but it looks like she's not catching much of a follow through. Five minutes confirming to be very bearish here in the next 15 seconds. I think she's gonna follow. It does not look like we have that much support here yet. Yeah, there she
Samby's
goes.
in a short right now.
Who? Samby?
Samby.
Yeah, Samby's a beast. He knows how to pick them. Yeah, I think Johnny might actually take this one. We'll see if Johnny ends up taking this trade. He should. I fixed him. Let's see if he listens. All right, next 30 seconds he might go short. Taking out that overnight low here very soon.
Does that mean?
What's that, babe?
Does that mean I should get ready?
Yeah, why not? Just take it with one if he does go.
Okay.
Which he is. This is it's a big candle. Just give it a break. Don't take it yet, okay? It's a big candle. It looks like they're gonna retrace this candle probably. When you have a candle this big, it usually means they're gonna end up getting a little bit of a pop. All right, he took it. He took it. He took it. That's good.
So dope.
No, you don't worry about it. Let him do. Let him do his robot madness.
Let him do his thing.
Yeah, you and I are gonna take a little bit more discretionary trading. Discretionary trades. Okay.
That was fast.
Huh?
Sandy says done for the day.
Done for the day? Yeah. He says that, but he always comes back for morphine. All right. Market is still pushing. Sell-off continues. That's pretty decent. See if they get a little bit of a pop back up, because if it was a big candle, I'd like to see it get maybe cleaned up before hitting the overnight low, but it looks like it's going straight for that overnight low first. I'm thinking that it's gonna be a red day here until we get to that white trend line down here at the 420s. I'd love to see a quick move to the upside here, grab some liquidity. I'd love to see that. All right, they're giving it to us a little bit. Buyers might try to hold this level. ES hasn't pulled back much at all. ES is just hanging out there at the VWAP. NQ has come down a lot. ES is holding up much better. I like the shorts. I do like the shorts, but I would love to see a really nice trap play first to the upside. Maybe a move that looks something like this. Let me see if I can play this out for you guys here. Maybe a move something like this. Coming back up here to at least sweep previous day's low right here. And somewhere in this range is what I would think. And then maybe a move back down. Something like that. That's what I would like to see. And now we do have this area here. The VWAP has a lot of liquidity right now. A move up here would be ideal. Maybe like a pop right into here. You know, something like that would be great for then that move down. That's what I'm looking for. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Somewhere in here. Because they always do the unexpected. NQ likes to do the unexpected until she does, obviously, the expected once in a while. That way she throws you off.
For a second, I just thought I heard
Okay.
an owl.
Yeah, it did sound like an owl. Yeah, that was a nasty move right there. That is an owl, probably.
Really?
Sounds like one.
That sounds cool.
That was a nasty move. They hit a big sell wall there at 600 on the way back up. Are they going to fight it? Maybe push it back up to VWAP? What's up, man?
Joey said, "Ooh."
Whoo. What are you, an owl? We used to say that when we were younger. Whoo. I'm like, what are you, an owl? You nosy. Morning, baby.
Good morning.
Thank you for the new subs. Let's see who's in the chat here that subbed today. I appreciate you guys very much. Sorry, guys. Diggers one. Welcome. I think we also have another sub here this morning too. Let me say what's up to them. Mr. UKP, welcome to both of you. Appreciate you guys being with us. All right, let's see if we get something here, guys. Keep your eyes open, babe. We may have an opportunity coming up.
Yeah.
We'll see. Johnny's still short. He's still holding it short. Try it along here.
Okay.
Take it up to 673. And put your stop at 535. You heard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
I feel like they may try to do the sellers dirty here a little bit, pushing it back up and then bringing it down. This is kind of a dangerous play, but let's see. We may have to switch directions if I tell you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But right now, it's still a good chance she's gonna give us a little pop. Tough little range here. Let's see which way they prevail. Overnight low's been taken. Maybe they give us a pop up. Maybe they don't. ES is not even close to its overnight low. Not yet. What's up, Buffy the Baker? Paper trading now. I'm looking for a 625 sell limit. Nice.
I'm gonna say Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Yeah, Buffy the Baker.
Mm-hmm.
And see if we can get a push. Let's see if we get a nice little push here to the upside for the wife. Getting that morning chop never fails. Get ready to close if I tell you, okay? Because this is really just chopping really hard. All right, get out of it.
Alright.
Looks like they're still pushing. Johnny's right on this one. No pop for the buyers there on the overnight low. More continuation to the downside. Same thing with the ES. Looks like we're pushing down on both. Looks like Johnny might get his TP here soon. How much is he? He's up 100 and change. Okay. ATR 40 right now in the 1 minute. That's pretty good. Good. Yeah, sellers are definitely outpowering the buyers here this morning. I think Johnny might get his TP here after all. Good for him. Wow, another one.
Oh, come on.
What happened, babe?
No, for Johnny, it's.
Oh, for his TP?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm thinking about where a good entry for you might be.
No rush.
Yeah. Some days you just don't get that opportunity to get into the trade. It just keeps going. How much are you down on that one trade?
154.
150? Oh my God, we didn't even let it go at full TP.
Mm-hmm.
These things are huge.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. You trading one micro, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. I'm hoping we do still get that push to the upside with another move down, but that's yet to be seen. Johnny needs his TP here at 480 though. Let's see if we can get that first.
gotta teach kids something.
Yeah.
Can I get your phone, please?
Mine? Yeah. Sambi says, I'm riding up a long and then reversal down to 625. That's what I was trying to do earlier as well, but looks like it's a little more sluggish than I expected. Johnny isn't no coward, says Joey. Yeah, I don't think Johnny's got, like I said, he's got a steel set. He is a robot, so that would make sense. What would we do without ICT to tell us where the market is going, says Joey. How else besides Tori are we supposed to trade? There is no other way, man. That's the only way, I'm telling you. Tori's life. What's up, Vest Band? Over on Kick. How you doing? What's up, Mo? Good morning. Rumo says, I'm now long from 29,575 entry point, expecting a mean reversion trade up to the upside. Yeah, I was expecting that too here. Get ready, babe, okay?
Yeah.
Are you paying attention? Okay. Might get a move still.
Vintage trader. Did I say vintage? Sorry, I meant vintage.
Babe, can you mute yourself real quick?
I gotta speak more Dominican. Let me speak so loud, you guys can.
Yes, please. Ryan says he likes longs. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Let's see if
I'm
they
the most quietest Dominican you guys will ever be.
Yeah, okay. What's up, Vintage? Just micro liquidity sweeps right now. They are taking out the impatient. Seems that way. All right. You have to try a move. Try a long here, babe.
Okay.
All right. Put your stop at 525. I'll tell you when to get out. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
May actually add to it as well. Okay.
Okay.
D might only want shorts this morning. Let's see. ES is ripping. ES is doing really well. Maybe the NQ can catch back up.
My goodness, go faster than that, please.
Johnny might get his little heart wrecked.
Who?
Johnny might get his little heart wrecked.
Oh. Sorry, Johnny. Nothing personal.
Take it up to 680, babe.
680, yes.
Looks like DES is trying to sweep those session highs. 76.10. NQ might push a little bit more too.
No, go up. Go up. Go up. You're right there, please. Go, go. Oh, it reminds me. Did you like what the pastor said yesterday?
Oh yeah, I loved what she said yesterday. I loved.
I told you I like really direct things as long as you're
Yeah,
saying nice
she's
way,
really
I
good,
respect
man.
that.
I to be honest with you, I enjoy her. I enjoy her more than Josh.
Really?
Yeah, I always have. I think the first time we ever went there, she preached, and she spoke right into my soul that day. Like seriously.
I like Josh's dad.
Yeah, Josh's dad is good
He's
too.
more old school, which is my style.
Yeah.
style.
Yeah, she can. She's a great orator. She can
Yeah.
speak, man. She is really, really good.
My husband
Gets her point
and
across
I,
very well.
we respect people that are really honest, and especially in churches, because I feel like nowadays you should be honest.
Painfully.
Yes, you should be painfully honest. Keep it real. Keep it the truth. Just be honest. And
Keep it 100, like the kids say.
oh gosh, and you say I talk.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
But say it with love. That's kind of my way. If you're gonna be honest, but with love. don't scream it into me because I'm not going to hear you.
Honesty isn't common nowadays, is Joey? Yeah, that's true. 700 for the fellas, says Sam B. Yeah, we're looking for at least 680. At least 680.
Come on, man. I feel pity that my ponytail's too tight.
At least 680. We'll see if we can do that for us.
Okay, don't feel pity then. I don't know. Trying to get at the other one. Today. Okay, trader. I'm acting like NQ is loyal to me.
Yo, she ain't loyal to no one.
Yeah.
Okay, get ready to add another if I tell you to, okay?
Yeah. Oh, sorry to not give you guys more details. The pastor, she was speaking more about. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this NQ this morning.
Dang, you just backhand me. Jerk. I'm gonna start insulting people from like the Bible. May your crops not
Wither.
grow or something. Wither, yeah. May your crops wither.
And the locusts eat your house.
I think it's funny when people say that. But she was speaking regarding following Christ and how in order to follow Christ, that's when the battles really start. So if you say, and she
Discipleship is hard.
Perfect example. She said, "I'm gonna follow you, God. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna be your steward, but not with my phone.
When it's convenient.
Yeah, when it's convenient for me." And I thought it was funny because our 14-year-old was right there.
Add one, babe.
Yeah. Our 14-year-old is right there,
Yeah.
and she's always with her phone in her face.
Put that
which
extra
is so
stop
funny.
at 5 1/4. Don't forget.
Yeah. So, I just think it's good for kids to hear that too. Put another
Yeah, 2 stops, right?
TP.
The other TP you can put at 690.
Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. I'm like, what was I just doing?
And
Shoot. Can I move that more down a little bit or no?
what, the stops?
For the TP. Like have one, not both of them in the same section?
Well, you have one at 680 and one at 690, so you can put them wherever you want.
690, okay.
But put them whatever you want, but
Okay.
I was thinking that was pretty logical. Market's still pushing. She is still pushing. She's looking like maybe trapped some traders here. I don't hope not. I really hope not. Man, we need a little bit of burst here of energy. If not, it's going to be a trap. This is stinking. NQ sucks.
Oh, that's good. Sandy said he got out.
Get ready to close, right? Because this is not showing any strength. Get ready to close. It's not showing any strength. If it doesn't hold this level here, it's going to probably end up dumping. Has to hold this level here.
Okay, I'm gonna hide myself real quick.
Man, what the heck? This is heavy selling. No pop. Okay. Hmm. Put your stops at 560. If it goes under 560, it's because it's going to continue dumping.
Okay. You know, right? I was just.
Yeah, looks like we are possibly getting that move right back down. No 680, no VWAP. Looks like that was a trap to the upside there. That's the easiest way to set a trap, is to make it look like it's going to go to a specific target and then cut back right before it. Cut back right before your specific target, and that's the best way to set a trap. And that's what she did this morning here, making it look like she wanted to go up to at least previous day's low or the VWAP, and then she comes back right before it. So it looks like a legitimate buyer, a bull trap. That's why I had my wife move her stop up a little, because this it's showing some heaviness and some trickery up here. And it's funny because this is the target I was kind of looking for earlier when I said maybe I move up to around here, but just a little bit higher.
We're still in it.
Still in it. It looks real trappy for bulls the way that they set it up by not hitting the 680. Because I was just telling the chat that if whenever they're trying to set a trap, they make it look like it's going to go to a certain spot where most people would take profits, like 680 or the VWAP, and they pull back right before it. 680 is a logical spot because it's overnight low area, so it pulled back right before it. But let's see if they have enough muscle here to come back up, prove me wrong. It smells like a trap right now, but hopefully it doesn't turn out to be one. All right, buyers are still pushing pretty nicely. All right. Let's see if they can get 680.
I apologize. I really am trying to give my full attention. It's just.
There's a lot of things going on over here.
Parenting at the same time.
Yeah.
All right.
It doesn't want to break 560. Hopefully, he falls more.
Go! You were there before.
Yeah.
At this point, rocket.
Keep going, keep going.
But then my thing is, if it goes up, isn't it gonna take out Johnny?
Oh, Johnny's stop is at 737. So as long as it stays under 737, I'm fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, nice little solid push there. Maybe we can break 680 first.
How was everyone's weekend?
Everybody's weekend.
What did you guys do?
What was it?
We want to know.
Oh, it was so hot this weekend here.
Yeah. Are you guys going through a heat? What is that called?
Heat wave?
Heat wave?
Most of the country is. Wasn't Jersey like 100 plus the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jersey gets either really hot or really cold.
Joey says nice out for me. Nice. Well, what does nice mean to you? Because for me, I love this. The weather is the 70s because you get to wear a sweater sometimes, but not all the time. So the 90s too hot.
Yeah.
Kind of. 80s I'll tolerate.
Yeah. Our winters here are really nice.
I love the winters here. That's why everybody comes here.
Mm-hmm. Only downside is the pool gets a little brisk when we don't turn on the heater.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can move a little more. Come on, Q. Come on, Q.
Joey says 70s, mid 80s, low 80s. Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, market is looking like it does want to make a little bit of a higher high here. If it does break 680, should be in good shape, relatively good shape. Let's see if they do it and not just double top here.
Also, since my husband says it, let me say it as well. Please give likes. Give us some likes.
Yeah, that would
Really
help.
appreciate
That
it.
would really help.
Just helps grow the channel.
Yeah. Attract more viewers, people that need to see, people that need to learn. There's a lot of people out there getting swindled
Yeah, just show him some
into
love.
ideas that don't work. Huh?
Just to show him some love.
Yeah. Show Johnny some love if you don't like us.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Penny said we had a birthday for my 11-year-old daughter. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, that's awesome. You have an 11-year-old? Is that your oldest, or is that like just one of the random
Digital
ages?
circus theme, some weird cartoon. The circus sounds really fun though. It's cool. It's fun. Like, what age do kids no longer like birthday parties because they get embarrassed? Or whatever?
I still like me some birthday parties. Take me to
You?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Take you to Chuck E. Cheese.
I'm just kidding. No, I don't know. What age do you think they stop making birthday parties?
Mm.
I think what, like around 13, 14?
I would say like 16 most likely.
16? Right
Yeah.
after their
Yeah,
sweet
even
16?
Joey says probably 16 exactly.
Yeah.
I just think they get embarrassed so easily.
Like, yo, I don't have parents.
Yeah,
Don't
like
get
they
it
just want to
twisted.
hang out with their friends, do their own thing and
Yeah.
stuff. So, but happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday to your young one.
Mm-hmm.
It's all downhill from there. Just kidding. Kids are great at all
I'm
ages.
totally kidding.
I have older siblings who still drive my parents crazy.
Yeah. I only have a sister, so.
Yeah, and she drives you crazy. And your
She
mother.
drives me crazy. I sent her a video this morning because it was saying something about like, I know siblings are like this, but just mine isn't. It was like there's just a connection between an older sister with a youngest sibling. Like it's such a bond, and I'm like, I can't relate.
Too
Just
funny.
to make a funny thing for today.
We need this market to cooperate a little bit here because it's acting like a...
Oh, Penny says she has a 5 and 11. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, that's cool. That's good ages.
Oh, they grow up so fast.
Yeah,
though.
they do. You got a babysitter. And 11 can babysit the... well, not yet.
Babe,
soon.
no.
Soon.
Oh, piñatas. I used to love piñatas. More just to hit it, not even for the candy.
Yeah, I swear the candy inside of piñatas was like the worst candy ever.
Yeah.
Like those little strawberries that were wrapped up that look like a strawberry candies. Those are the worst.
Yeah, Joey's too funny. I swear he's too funny. My brother pisses me off. This dude eats all the food.
He eats everything. Is he like Joey from Friends?
I can't. Oh, we were watching Friends with our kids yesterday, and they were asking who's who. Our youngest, she's 11. She is Joey, to a T, minus he's not smart. She's very smart for her age, but she loves food. She is so giving, like Joey. I'm more Monica, where I'm the clean freak.
The
My
glue.
husband is Chandler.
Always got a joke.
Exactly, Chandler always has a joke, or sarcasm.
Yeah.
And our oldest, she's Rachel because she loves fashion, makeup, things like that. So.
Yeah. So,
And she's
yeah.
learning to be on her own.
And we also were playing Monopoly while we were watching
yeah, we
Friends.
were.
This is the first time we ever played
It
Monopoly
was
together.
fun. The business
And
strategy.
yeah, I own every railroad right now. So every time they land on my railroad, it's big bucks I'm collecting. But it's a multi-day game for us because yeah, they're just learning, so it takes a while for the game to go.
Yeah,
But we played for like what, 2 hours, and then
roughly 2
yeah,
hours. Yeah.
almost all the properties are bought up. So
But they had a lot of patience, which
Yeah.
is good. Penny says we have a community pool, so we just do that every year. Oh, that's cool. That's fun. Oh my gosh, California's 100 degrees.
California's
I'm
100,
sorry, but you guys have dry weather,
very dry.
which is not as bad. Still bad, but not as bad.
Yeah, you're just in an air fryer versus being in a sauna.
Nice, nice way to explain it, babe.
Yeah. Either way, it's not very.
It's not pretty.
Yeah, it's not good.
They
But I
got
mean, there's
me.
solutions to that. Stay indoors.
Oh, she got her guinea pig. Oh, that's cute. Like a toy guinea pig or like an actual guinea pig?
Yeah, because our daughter has like a pet possum that's
Yeah, I'm
Not
never
real.
getting a possum. I'm good.
Oh, what was that? What the heck?
What?
What is going on? How do you trade this, man?
Dang.
Johnny got his TP at least.
It
Oh,
just took me
man.
out already.
You're out.
My thing froze.
Yeah, it's all right. What are you gonna
okay,
do?
it's fine.
What are you gonna do? Now it's gonna rip to the upside after doing that. And Johnny just missed his TP there by a little bit. Let's see if we get the move back down.
Sorry.
That was disgusting. Sorry, babe. That was a rough day.
No, it's fine. It is what it is. Honestly, can't do anything about it.
We were so close there. We should have moved the break even. That would have been a better move.
It's fine.
You probably would have caught nasty slippage anyway. Pet muskrat, says Joey. Yeah, I knew you would have a pet muskrat. So many people just got yeah, they did. They did. Except for, and you know what? I think Johnny has an in on the market. I think Johnny's being programmed by Byron.
I agree with Hot Cedar. That was really dirty.
That was super dirty. Baron
And
Trump
rude.
is
That's
not
rude.
Byron. Yeah, that
Thank
was
you,
dirty,
so
babe. I'm
rude.
sorry about that. That looked like a real good move,
Mm.
but it was just
but
it was
it's
just a
gonna
few
hit
points.
It for Johnny.
Well, it's watch it screw Johnny too. Watch it screw Johnny.
You
That would be.
think so?
I mean, she just did twice. She went down to the 480s and missed him by a couple points. So let's hope she goes down there to fill him and not back up, because then she would do you dirty and Johnny dirty. Like, that's how dirty she could be. And that wouldn't be right. That just ain't right.
Mm-mm.
Has this ever happened to you? That sucks. You know, that's just, I don't know. That's got to be some kind of a Trump tweet or something like that. He's making it really hard to trade these markets.
There's news today.
I don't think so. It's 10:18.
Okay.
Mondays usually don't carry much news. Let's see if there was anything.
Joey says definitely news.
Yeah. No, there's no news today. Tomorrow we do have news at 8:30. But that was just
Like, are you sure he did tweet
filthy.
something?
I'm sure he did
Oh,
tweet
not
something.
Tweet, X something.
He probably did tweet something. And that's unfortunate in this market.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm close to just sitting here, but not trading. Because I'm down almost 400.
Yeah, well, you were right on the move. It's just
Yeah.
this manipulation doesn't help. Manipulation is, and you were not even greedy on your TPs. Your TPs were so, you know. And look
Joey
now.
Said, Trump reinstating the Iranian blockade.
Yeah, it's always something to do with Iran and Trump. It's always Trump screwing somebody here with these markets,
So
man.
what, are we still?
It's a
at
different
war or
news. And later on today, he'll say the war's over. You know, it's just like you can't never believe what he's saying. It's hard to even keep track of for peace deal or no peace deal, or war or peace, or
Are you still
open or
flippy-floppy?
closed, or what?
He's still being flippy floppy.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's massive manipulation is just going on in these markets with Trump tweeting these things. Why doesn't he tweet these things after the market closes? Why do you
Say, why doesn't he just
why do you
say
tweet
it
this
after it's
during market hours?
done?
Yeah, Joey. This is rough. Very rough.
Yeah, Joey says I would stay out for now. That's what I think too.
Mm-hmm.
So fun.
It's hard enough to trade without manipulation, man. This is just
Yeah.
bonkers. Thank God at least you moved your stop up to 560. If I would have been at 5.25 still, it'd been an extra 100 points of drawdown.
So fun. I just realized Catalina's probably still sleeping because she's growing.
Yeah,
You know, the longer you sleep as a kid is because you're growing.
you're growing, your body demands it.
Yeah, she usually wakes up before everybody.
Yeah, that's why you're so much more groggy in the morning as a kid than you are as an adult.
Yeah.
Ease session is looking better. We know Trump sleeping during that time. That is true. That is very true. Thank you for that first stop.
Joey and I must see eye to eye because he just said we need JD in office.
Are you trying to say that Joey's 5 foot tall?
Huh?
Are you trying to say that Joey's 5 foot tall?
Very funny. No.
I mean, I'm not joking on you. I'm joking on Joey.
No, I know you're not joking on me. What I'm saying is, no, not the height.
Yeah, JD would never. JD would never. He would never tweet. Joey says I'm only 6'2".
I was gonna say, it would be great to have JD in office, like as president.
Yeah.
One day, that'd be nice.
And we take away his phone. Someone definitely needs to
Take Trump's phone
commandeer
away.
Trump's phone for real.
A little while.
I mean, how does this not brought up in Congress? Like, okay, well, people are getting wrecked because of your tweets. Can you stop? Can you knock it off already?
Or maybe he does it because he's also doing stuff in business or trading or something like that.
You think they don't take advantage?
He's a businessman.
You think him and his family and his his friends don't take advantage of these little tweets he's about to put out?
Yeah,
He's
of
about to
course.
say it. He's about to say it.
Yeah, I feel like they do.
Yeah.
I mean, listen, if you can, amen to that, I guess.
Trump can do whatever he wants until midterms.
Mm-hmm.
Trump is crazy, man. I would have never in a million years would have thought that a president could have his own meme coin and his wife have a meme coin, make billions of dollars from it, and not get in trouble for it. And just be an ultimate rug pull. And then not even have like one iota of anyone saying anything. No one. Crazy. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Basically what that means is that anybody who wants to get in the good graces of Trump, just buy the Trump coin, because Trump's going to rug pull it anyway. So anybody who buys it, he's like, okay, you've donated to me indirectly, so you can't get in trouble. Can't get in trouble because you're not greasing the president's pockets directly,
Yeah.
but you're buying his meme coin. So he could take the money that way, because in that way it's legal. That is crazy. Very, very creative. Anyone else do that? If anybody else were to do that, they'd be in jail. I remember buying Trump coin like at $80 and then they immediately dumped to 20. Damn, Joe, you still holding that? Now she's going to 680. Look at her. This is filth among filth. This is just filth. You only holding the Haktuo coin now, Joey? Smart. You and Mo know what you're doing. You guys are very advanced traders. Oh, see what I mean? See, yeah, you heard that. See what I mean here with this move? She did the buyers dirty, and now she's doing the sellers dirty, all in one shot.
Of course.
And here comes 680.
Excuse me. Wasn't that or my
Your TP?
yeah,
Yeah, of
my
course.
TP was.
You think it wasn't gonna go to 680?
I mean,
It
it
was.
hasn't
The
touched
whole-
it,
the whole
but I'm
time.
Sure it will.
The whole time it was gonna go to 680. You just did that to sweep the liquidity to then go, and
Yeah.
it's so dirty. All right.
Joey says Trump is saying stuff. Be careful.
Yeah, 740 could be a good place for a short, but as of right now, this is just horrible. Horrible price action here. Now she wants to go after. Now she wants to go after Johnny's stop loss. It's horrible.
Okay, pick a direction.
She's gonna go higher to sweep up into the 740s, into this white box in here, into this level here, and then she's gonna roll over.
It was like right there at the 680.
No, she's gonna go to 680
She is.
plus a VWAP, all that.
Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, this is gonna go higher. It's gonna go into this. It's gonna go into this area in here, into the 750s, 760s.
Oh, it just only hit. It hasn't even hit officially the 80.
It hit 679.
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
Huh?
Isn't that fun?
Yeah. Hormuz Strait is open and will remain open with or without Iran. Yes, but can you believe anything he says? That's the problem.
Oh, what does that mean?
The Strait of Hormuz is the passage in which the ships coming from Iran and north of Iran, what they use in order for them to get to the rest of the world. So they have to go through there to provide, countries like China and other nations like India with oil. But if it's closed, then that means that those ships can't get through. So if there's less oil on the market, oil goes up, price of oil goes up, stock market should go down. So Trump is trying to keep it open, Iran's trying to keep it closed because they feel like that's their only bargaining chip and that's their way of kind of like getting back at the United States financially.
Yeah.
Because you can't really fight the US militarily, so they try to fight us economically. Make sense?
Yeah.
Do you get it
Just
or no?
think it
Because if you don't
stinks.
get it, just tell me and I'll explain.
Yeah, I just think it stinks.
What stinks? That Trump keeps lying or that Iran keeps closing it or what? Combination of both?
Kind of all the above.
Yeah.
Because
'Cause
my
w-
thing is, unless something's actually done, don't say it's done.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah,
I mean, I
yeah.
don't know.
There was never a signed peace treaty that held any weight, but he's always advancing the news like if it's, and he does that to keep the market afloat.
Oh.
Hmm. And the market uses that news to manipulate.
That's so sad.
Decent move from Iran. Yeah. I don't know what they're going to do here. The price looks like it's going to go up to the 760s. Market wants higher, says Joe. Yeah, I believe it. Trump insisted Iran would not charge for passage, but the U.S. will be reimbursed 20% on cargo from Hormuz. Yeah. They want to charge now, what is it, like $1 million for each boat, for each ship that passes through or something like that? Only in Bitcoin now. They want to get paid in Bitcoin. Well, they did want to get paid in Bitcoin. I don't know about anymore. So oil is moving higher on this news, but so is the NQ. So it looks like she just wants Johnny's stop loss, and then she's going to come back down. That's what I would say. That's probably what's going to happen. This is the dirtiest price action ever. Here we go. Here we go. Stop out Central. Poor Johnny. Dirty for everyone. Everyone gets handed everybody gets handed a lump of coal here. This market's trash, says Stormy. I don't disagree with you, man. How do you trade something like this? It's bad, man. It's bad. I think Elon Musk described being an entrepreneur as chewing glass and staring into the abyss, and that's how it feels like to be an NQ trader with this kind of
Excuse me.
price action. Like chewing glass and staring into the abyss.
I swear my screen can't fit all this anymore.
More than likely, we're going to come back up here to test this white line. That is Tori's trend line that I was telling you guys about earlier. It is a... Taking a look at the 30-minute. We already tested it once. Is she going to come back and test it again? Up at 770? Or maybe this time continue higher? I was thinking that she was going to go down and test this trend line down here in the 400s. She still might. But I don't know when. That is the question. Very funny. 15 minutes looking super bullish right now. 5 minute also. So tide might be turning.
Oh, I forgot this weekend Kayla goes to camp.
Is this weekend already?
Yeah, time goes by so fast.
No. Joey, STC momentum signals 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6 this morning. Why haven't you purchased it yet? Joey, I'm still doing a little bit of tweaking on that. I'm doing a little tweaking on that. I'm working on fixing a little bit more. I'm having you beta test it and a couple other people beta test it. Just some of the mods here beta test it because I think it could be better. And I saw some. I see some. I definitely see some ways to improve it. Yeah, they've been pretty solid, but I'm still looking for a way to make it better. I'll let you know later today. I'm running some back testing today. You think it's awesome? I'm glad to hear that, Joey. It's very good. The best thing about it, guys, is you do not need TradingView Premium for it. You can run it on basic and free. I think basic and free might be the same. I'm not sure, but you don't need premium. That's for sure. So we will see if it holds up. You need a long track record, and with a 1 minute chart, you can only go back about a month. So we need more than a month. But so far so good. I mean, it's been tracking pretty nicely. The one that missed here so far is this one here on Johnny, but she hasn't been stopped out yet. But Johnny had to trade down to 466. Hopefully he could get hit. Let's see if I change a quick setting here, if it would make it any better. Let me change the max trade size. Does this have the max trade size on it? I think it does. Oh, here we go. Max trade size. Let's go to big. Nothing. Let's go to average. Oh, average, no. No. Okay, average would have not allowed us to get into this last trade. Keeps us safer. But it doesn't allow us to hit home runs, but it doesn't allow us to take big losses either. So I'm gonna leave it off for now, but I'm gonna play around with these settings a little bit more later. Missed that long while I was outside. I'm calling it a day. Oh, what's up, J-Ray? 600 on a session is cool with me. Yeah, I wish we were 600 in profits right now, but the market has not cooperated this morning that well. When you get candles that are this big, because Trump felt like saying something, it makes it very difficult to trade. 160 points and one candle. And one 1 minute candle. It might have even been a 30-second candle.
Sure you don't want to sit?
No, I'm good, baby. I think sitting long term is worse than standing.
Okay.
I sit when I back test.
Okay.
Take a look at the mags. Mags are having a pullback right now. Mags are looking for much lower. They're looking for 66.70. don't know how much longer I'm going to be tracking SpaceX, but I have been tracking her. Nvidia pushing down as well. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin not looking so hot, but who knows? She's been in a little choppy mess right now. I haven't traded her in like about a week or so because I didn't like her price action. Let's fix oil. Oil. Okay. Oil had that bounce earlier, but she's going sideways now. Take a quick look at gold. Gold has been selling off. Okay. Gold's been selling off. YM. All right, market's pushing right back down. I don't know if I believe it. I'm pretty sure they want to come back up here and grab this 730s. Price action today, very manipulative. What day isn't it, right? Lucid side is down, says Joy. I tested my strategy on TradingView numbers. Looks positive for 90 days, showing 12K profit. Profit factor 1 to 6, 60% profit of trades from 670 trades. Would you trust the numbers from TradingView on paper trade or TradeAway? Yes and no. Parish, send me a message in Discord. I'll try to elaborate a little bit more. But yes, you can trust the numbers as long as your what is that called? Your take profit and your stop loss, as long as they have what's that called? A tracking debug code in them, which basically will read where the stop loss and the take profit actually are. Because sometimes what it does is that it makes up its own numbers to give you an answer when you win or lose. So and then sometimes as well, like you could have a winning trade that never executes because of it went too fast and it didn't hit your limit order. So you got to account for that as well. So there's a lot of different things. So yes, you can count. You can hold them reliable as long as you've done a little manual back testing. So what I would do is I would give it like a 1 day span of giving you a P&L and then manually go back and check it yourself to see it's reading everything correctly. Thanks for the follow, IVX. Yeah. Because Claude has definitely lied to me about the back testing in the very beginning when it didn't understand how to calculate something, because it was my fault. It was very complicated the way I had him calculating P&Ls. I had him calculating reversals, had him calculating if this, then that. It was just too much for the Python script for them to really calculate it accurately. So then after I simplified it, it started giving me very accurate numbers. All right, market is moving back down. Johnny's still safe for now. Not really sure where they want to go, but I think it's to the downside. I really thought they wanted to have a second pop here and grab some of this. this move back down is probably going to be the one that I was waiting for earlier. Looks like it's not coming. It's not popping. I was looking for a little bit higher. What time frame are you running the script on, Joey? 1 minute? Because right now it's the settings I gave you are best for the 1 minute, not for anything else. And that's what I'm going to be working on later on today. Each time frame has its own proprietary settings. Is what I noticed. So I have to program those into the script. That way, whenever you switch a time frame, it'll automatically have the best settings on there for you. 1 minute? Okay, yeah. Keep it on 1 minute for now, because it's optimized for the 1 minute. Anything other than the 1 minute, it's going to give you kind of skewed results. So I'm working on that today. You changed it from huge to big though? Okay. That's good. That's good. Johnny is running on a modified version of that script. So hopefully he can get his target hit. 15 minute looks real heavy. 5 minute is also coming down, showing us a trap long indication. This thing's melting. Damn. I missed that short. I wanted it from a little bit higher. I thought it'd hit 740s for sure. But I'm not complaining. You know, we have it already on with Johnny. I just wanted to see if the wife could also get into it. Yeah, this might dip right under those 480s. Babe, why don't you go ahead and take this short?
Take this short.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully this is not just a stop at 724.
Okay. And just let it run.
Yeah, let it run. I think this thing might go. It might even go down to 350. If you're wrong here, just let that just be the last trade of the day.
Yeah, I get you.
Mm-hmm. It's like the minute you go in one direction, the market just seems to want to turn around. here comes the pop. This would be a great time to long it now. Looks like it's like the minute it shows its weakness, that's when it turns right back around.
I really feel like Luna's gonna break her own trachea.
What's up?
I feel like Luna's gonna break her own trachea.
Luna
with
is?
the barking she does.
Yeah, she might. Pecos, I've been trading very lightly recently. I've been forward testing a lot of automated trading strategies, so it's been just a testing period for me. So I can't really say. The wife's been trading pretty good though. Her account's looking real juicy. Today's been a red day for us, or for her. And Justin, I am in a short. What'd you say, Joey? I didn't catch that. Yeah, this pullback.
Oh, come on.
I know, right? The minute we want short, as one who wants to reverse. It's gonna go to the 740s next, probably. Yeah, this is straight garbage. Sellers should try to defend this area up here by the VWAP. We had some trap longs here earlier, so let's see if they continue to push it down. That's what I was thinking for this move here. Even though we have a little bit of a green wave here, everything is pointing to the downside right now as far as the indications go here. We do have downside. We have this white line here that I thought would want to get tested. They're making a career out of it, but I'm hopefully thinking they're going to push it down. Johnny's been in this trade here for hours, at least an hour and a half, an hour and 10 minutes. It's a chop fest. We got our 15-minute orb up there at 7:30s, and that's I think where she was headed to just now. 7:35. Let's see if they can continue to push this to the downside. It's picking up the strength. The sellers are picking up the strength. Hopefully it is real. VWAP's completely flattening out here. I hate when that happens. I like this move here. I like it.
Just kidding.
Let's see if they go. What was that, babe?
It was sounding like one of those characters. Yeah.
Hold the line. It's coming, says Penny. There it goes. It's going.
Go that way we want you to go, not the way you want to go.
Yeah, it's going. It's trying. It really is. Hopefully she doesn't just go sideways there because it is almost 11 o'clock.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We need a massive injection of selling pressure here. I don't know if we're going to get it. ES is making a series of lower highs. It's looking weak. I'm not going to lie. It's looking kind of weak. This 5 minute has to close the way it is right now in order for it to continue that move to the downside possibly. But if it doesn't, it could be another trap for sellers and it's going to rip up to the 750s, 770s. Starting to create a wedge. We don't want that. We don't want those. Those are no good, no bueno. Market is looking for downside. Damn, look at these buyers, man. These guys are crazy.
Pure insanity.
Yeah. Yeah, we're starting to see a lot of the same pattern here going on the last week or so in this market. It's just kind of has an early morning move and then just a chop. Just a chop. Very, very nasty chop. Starting early. You love some Trump or Fed speak volatility? Yeah. Joey, you're long again? Wow, I just used the ICT and actually caught a winning trade. 180 on the day. I'm locked out, says Joey. Good for you, brother. Market's giving us those pumperonis. Unfortunate. Super unfortunate. Really feel bad for Johnny most of all because he got missed here by just a few points earlier today on this move to the downside. 17 points. That's nothing. When the market was shooting at a 160 point candle, missed him by very little. Yeah, here goes your stop bid. This is just stupid.
Great.
Yeah.
And Q and I have words.
What's that?
And Q and I have words.
Yeah. Just call it there, babe.
No, I am.
It's just ridiculous now.
It is what it is.
All right, Johnny stopped out here too. And we have to look for something else.
What?
It's some BS, man. Very, very BS. All right, she's coming into this zone now that I was looking for earlier for shorts right there. So let's see how she reacts here in these 750s to 770s. This is outlined here from this morning because it looked like that's what she wanted. Tough market here today, man. Can't call it, man. Say shorts look good, then longs look good, but then they come back down. It's just rough. We tried going long in here this morning, got stopped. Tried to long again, got stopped. Went short, got stopped, went long. This is hard. This is hard. Tough. What's up, BP? Nice, Sam B. Got the win. You were in 8 contracts, dude? That's awesome, man. You got to work tomorrow morning? Good for you, man. What are you doing? Did you get a job? The Trump Truth Social post candle was some BS. Yeah, I know. I was in a long. Well, my wife was in a long here. Almost at her TP. That's the crazy part. She was like 10 points from her TP. And then it just wrecked us. Baloney? How about I just don't say anything at all? I'll just say it was bad.
Thank you.
That's better?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, BPK. Come. I was gonna say, is it still morning? Good morning.
Now is when they turn it around after they've taken out this liquidity. I'm pretty sure this is what they're gonna do.
I'm not falling for it. I refuse.
You showed the win, Samby? Nice, man. Thank you for that.
I think your mom still has leftover pizza,
Yeah.
so I'm just gonna give it to the girls today and we can finish the chicken.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we finally got the 700, Samby. We called it an hour ago. Yeah, I've been looking for it from this morning from down here. I had it outlined, and now it looks like she's coming back. That seems like all she wanted. I think she might have another pop in her, though, because this white line hasn't been tested yet. But who knows? Maybe, maybe not. The trend is changing to the upside now, so be careful with that. This really is unfortunate there. We're going to go back up here. Maybe grab the 775 is what I'm thinking for another trade. Yeah, this was a real tough market, man. This was really, really hard. Even the ES was not easy. ES was all over the place this morning too. NQ, same thing, all over the place. Looks like Johnny might try to short trade again. Next 20 seconds or so, we should be short on this move. And yep, he is short. Let's see if he can get filled. Hasn't been filled yet. He may not get filled. This is where you got to kind of be careful with your back testing, because some of these trades do win, but they don't get filled. That's what throws off your testing. Come on, come a little higher, fill us. Doesn't look like it wants to fill us. If we get another MOAS to the downside here anytime soon, that's going to be a real big, good indication that they're going to want to head down to these much lower levels, down around 340, 350. So if I do see that, definitely going to try to short. Right now I'm just trying to get filled on this small trade, which is probably not going to happen. We're looking for 710 fill. I think that's 710. Yeah, 710 fill. Let's see if they'll give us 710. Come on in queue, give us 710. And then come right back down. All right, we got us. We got our fill. Let's see if they'll push it back down for a little bit. Does not look like it yet. Looks like they're still trying to possibly go higher into the 780s. Yeah, if this level holds, 780s is very possible. We're looking for a TP here at 670 or 671. Let's see if it'll go. Try to get a little bit of that green back. Yeah, this market right now is starting to die off on us. See if we can get this continuation down past the 670s and into, I'm looking for these daily lows, 490s. I really do think they could get down there, but if they want this white line still, they've already hit it once, so I don't see the point of it hitting again. So I do think it could start to roll over now and start heading down into the overnight low, daily low. Just need to get away from this VWAP. All right, come on, don't miss us. We need a TP here, 671. All right, good. All right, he got one. He got one of them. Last one was a pretty decent sized loss, but he's gonna chip away at it. It was dirty because he just came up here to grab the stop loss, 140 point stop loss. Came up here to grab the stop loss and then roll right back over. And that's unfortunate because that happens a lot. Happens a whole lot. There's dirty mechanics that the markets have. Who's the new gal? She's just some random trader I found and I threw her on the stream with me. Say hello.
You're so funny. Hello.
I don't ever remember seeing your name, Kalalani. Kalalani. She's my wife, Mrs. Smooth.
Kalalani?
Yeah, I think so. 69,420 is the Tory zone. I have a Tory zone down there at yeah, the 400s, correct. 685 is Border Patrol, you say? BP says 29,683 is where the bullish SMTOB is sitting. So basis to beat bulls and close below the area support. Yeah. I just know that she came to sweep my invalidation zone and she's coming back into it. So chances are her ripping it all the way back to where my target was originally is very high after doing all the dirty work that she did this morning.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Joey's so funny.
The smoothies? Thanks, Villa. And Joey says, one day I'm going to start streaming and I'm going to bring stripper in price. You're funny, bro. You're getting a lot of views. 640 is in the Border Patrol, Sam B.
I think I'm going to call it a day.
You going to call it there?
I think so. Actually, no.
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you going to do?
No, I'm not calling it a day right now.
Are you waiting for another entry?
No, I was going to say I'd probably stay till 12.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, this market is just very hard to read.
Ain't that the truth?
When in doubt, scroll left or look at the higher time frame to the left. All the levels we need. How do you fight the demon in your brain that tells me to up the risk? Because I've tried that and it doesn't work. You're actually supposed to lower your risk if you're not trading well. If you're not trading well, you're supposed to actually take less size than more size. But it is a real thing, though. I know what you mean. That's a big bad habit, I would say. That's a big bad habit to hide, to fight. It's so bad. Especially because you're not thinking long term. You're feeling like, oh no, I gotta do this. I gotta get this back today. You're not thinking, oh, I'll make it up in the afternoon or make it up tomorrow. you just never think that way because it's like, oh, my day's ruined now. Like I've been here trading and I got nothing out of it. Like I'm just gonna take a red day today, and nobody wants to end the day red, right? And if you could just take one small trade with bigger size, maybe you'll make it all back. And that's where we get caught in the lie and the deception of the NQ. It doesn't work that way. The city girls say go full port.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you're already used to trading big size, that's different. But if you're used to trading one contract and you switch to 3 or 5 just to try to make it back, it's a dangerous game to play. It'll work for you sometimes, but in the long run, it usually gets you wrecked.
In the long haul.
The long haul, yeah. Usually gets you wrecked. Not something that I suggest. And you guys know that firsthand, I'm sure. It's never worked out well for me. I mean, yeah, never. I can't say never. It's worked out well for me very few times. But most times, it doesn't. Unless my strategy was big size from the beginning, it doesn't. The market has been very choppy this last week. Looks like they're just trying to get back above VWAP right now. The market's not that bullish at the moment, but it's also really not that bearish. So it's hard to tell, especially when it's stuck at VWAP. That's tough. That's a tough level to play. I'm trading well, and I usually only trade with one micro, but I'm just thinking I could be making a lot more with more micros. Well, you can start gradually, but I mean that's not a demon. A demon is when you're like trying to make back your losses. But if you want to increase size, that's a natural progression. If you feel you're trading well with one micro, then switch it to 2 and to see how that goes for you. But remember, we only have certain amount of drawdown, so you're gonna want to play around with that until you can master the ratio of your average loss to the drawdown. But it all depends on your win rate. It depends on your profit factor. All depends on that. Then that'll tell you how much size you can actually use without wrecking your account. Sam B says, if you need an NQ or MNQ scale plan, I got you, Joey. Oh, you got one, Sam B? That's awesome, man. If you could post that in the Discord too. People would love to see that. You just want to get into a funded? Okay, if you want to get into a funded, man, then just, I mean, you're going to have to pick. Do you want to do it slow and steady, or do you want to do it fast? But you're going fast, you're going to have to go through more eval, so it's time over money. So is your time worth more than taking the slow route that could take you up to a month? BP says shoot for 300 a day. First 10 days will be passing. Next 10 days is a payout. Oh, you shared it a few months ago? Thanks, Sandy. It's probably in there, guys. You taking this slow? Because I'm sick of being evals? Okay. Yeah. Like I've said before, slow is fast in trading prop firms. Try to go too fast, you end up wrecking more accounts. Yeah, you will pass one eventually, but you're gonna at a high cost.
Yeah.
Market's moving real slow right now. ATR is under 25 on the Heikin candle, so that's pretty slow. I mean, it's not pretty slow. It's pretty small size on the candles. It's getting smaller. And the way she's acting here on the VWAP is also not cool. looks like she wanted to go for higher. Let's take a look at the market, see if there's anything specifically popping out at us. Everything's red. Nvidia's red. Most of the... Damn, really? Most of the chip makers and the microprocessors, all these things are just not doing so well today. Apple's slightly green. Microsoft's up a little bit. Amazon's up a little bit. But everything else seems to be kind of red, with the exception of a couple of things in here, like Palantir, Netflix. SpaceX is down almost 4.5%. Wow. Yeah, I don't know where this move back to the upside is coming. Let me see where the daily open is. Oh yeah, the daily open's all the way up here. That's why 29,950 is where the daily open is. Does she want to go and pair off her losses? I don't know. Shorts are very elusive in here. Can I set up a channel on Discord for settings on the MOAS indicator? Yeah, Joni, it's already there. If you go to our Discord, Joni, and you go to where it says, go to where it says Smooth Trader Concepts. In here, you're going to see the settings for the new release. The release that just came out in July. You'll see the settings here, the best settings. But I did just make a new update to the indicator over the weekend. I think it was over the weekend. Oh no, late last week. That I got to update in here today. So I'll have new settings up in here today. And for now, I'll just show you. I'll show you what I have for now, just because you're here. Right now I have the power longs and power shorts off just because I don't want to crowd the screen too much, but you guys can keep them on if you like. Most important things here that you'll see. Okay, that's basically all. Right now I have the max trade size filter off. This I'm going to explain to you guys later what this is. It basically keeps you out of any really big trades because, yeah, you can have a really big win on those trades, but you can also have a big loss. The big filter keeps you out of, extremely big trades, but it does allow you to enter some decent sized trades. And then the average keeps you average. So it's up to you guys, whatever you prefer better. You can do some back testing on those three settings and see what's better for you. But I'm keeping it off. What's up, babe?
You're so sweet. You don't hide your things. Like you share your knowledge with the world.
Yeah, I'm not trying to gatekeep that because people want to know what are the best settings I found so far. But I'm still tweaking. I'm still looking to fix some settings. Oh yeah, SK Hynix. The South Korean listed shares posted their biggest one-day decline in 20 years as investors took profits following the Nasdaq debut. Its Korean shares had more than tripled this year. Yeah, they were doing really well with that stock, and that's going to be like a hot stock for people to trade here in the U.S. Joey says he's going to gatekeep everything. He's not going to tell anybody anything.
Oh, by the way,
yeah.
I know this is so kiddish of me. Remember that?
Childish?
Yeah, kiddish, yeah, exactly. Remember that thing I wanted to do with you, that surprise TikTok thing?
With me?
Yeah, remember I told you a couple weeks ago I wanted to do it with you?
A surprise TikTok
like
thing?
Questions?
No, which one? You always have different ones.
No, I wanted to do it with you. I just kept forgetting.
So. Oh, you never told me about it.
No, I did.
You did, but which one though? Because I know you did the one with the girls already.
No, it's one where like it asks you questions regarding like who's. I didn't look at it, but it was just asking like couples questions.
Couples questions? Okay.
Yeah. So I wanted to.
When do you want to do that?
If we have time today, would be nice. Because if we don't do it today, we're never gonna do it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It'll be fun.
Oh yeah. Couples questions. The only question I have right now is, what's NQ gonna do? It's gonna go up. Keep wrecking the bears, or is it finally gonna roll over? I don't think so. What do you think, babe?
I don't even think it knows what it wants to do.
I think sideways, maybe.
Sideways? Yeah, I get that one.
Sideways, you can never go wrong with the NQ.
But a direction? Eh, not there.
It's a God forbid a direction. Yeah, the 5 minute looks horrible. More than likely, it's going to continue higher though. There is a very bullish indication on the candle structure. All right, good pullback. Is this when it happens? Uh-oh. Yeah, if they cannot hold this level at 660, which they probably won't, there isn't really that much buyers present here. It was more negative sell pressure here. The level of the break was really is really here at 629. $629. Wall pullback. I'm getting really tempted to start scalping this market for like 20 points at a time with bigger size, because you know you could make money in this, but this is just so bad. It's just so bad to hold you know midterm trades in, like, you know, not full swing trades, but like anything you're holding for like half an hour, like this is just so bad for that. But if you catch scalps, you know, from these levels, yeah, you can make some money using one mini, 20 points. May have to start looking into that. I've done that in the past. We have to do it again. Yeah, usually we are the biggest challenge in the trading, in the whole trading scenario, Joey. We are our biggest enemies, that is for sure. You know, we're the ones that throw a wrench in our own system.
with Villa Capital.
What's that, Villa?
Types of slow market.
Yeah, I was about to call it here. This is just too ugly and slow, guys. I'm gonna call it here because this is just I can't stand looking at the market when it's just going chopping the VWAP. So I got a lot of stuff I got to get done today. I'm sure my wife does too. Let's go ahead and real quick before we do go, guys, if you want to check out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, and we are releasing the new one that I have a couple people beta testing right now. If you guys want to check those out, check out the link that's pinned in the chat, and you will see not that, but this right here. You will see our website that shows the different indicators we have. We have the order flow simplified, which is our traditional one that you do need TradingView Premium for. But if you decide to get it and you don't have TradingView Premium, we will have a solution for you, which is the Smooth Trader Concepts Ultimate Momentum, and that's available here too. It's only $7 for 7 days, and pretty soon we will have that all finally tuned in. If you guys want to check out the prop firms I'm trading with, go ahead and look at the prop firm matrix. We have Apex, Trade Day, Tradify, and Lucid all running great deals right now. Coupon codes for those are linked at the bottom with the URLs or the websites right there as well. And check out BTCC. That's where I trade crypto. You can also trade stocks there, individual stocks, and you can trade futures without worrying about holding overnight or closing your trades overnight. You can hold overnight, no worries. And they give you $30 when you KYC, just when you register for a new account, and they give you a 10% bonus on your deposits and up to $30,000 in rewards as you trade. So very, very nice very nice brokerage that I've used for trading crypto. So check them out. You don't need the VPN when you are in the US either. So they do allow US traders. Yeah, guys, this is a hot chop mess here. I'm going to go, but I will say a prayer and let you guys go until tomorrow. Father God, Lord, we thank you for this day. Father, we thank you for the opportunity that was before us. And I want to thank you for every single trader that's in our community. I know there's some here, Father, who are going through a really hard time. Some of them who are maybe having issues with their family, maybe having a problem with their spouse, with their children. Lord, I know some people here who are having a hard time financially. They can't pay their bills, or they don't know where they're going to pay their next bill from, Father, or how are they going to put food on the table, Lord. I know we have a full spectrum of people here, Father. But Lord, I know the ones that are within the most sorrow and the ones that have the most need, Lord, they're the closest ones to you, Father. And I pray that you always find them wherever they may be, Lord, whether they're completely lost, Father, or if they're looking for you, Father, that they always find you. Father, we know that the greatest gift in this world, Father, is to follow your word, Father, and be close to you and have a relationship with you. Nothing in this world can compare financially, Lord, or monetarily. There's no one thing, Father, that would ever make us happy if you're not in our lives, Father. So I pray before anything else is given to us, that your presence and your love and your grace, Father, enters our homes. Lord, I also pray that anyone here, Father, who has not come to know you, Lord, and wants to give their life to you, Father, that they do so, Father, by recognizing that you are the one and only Savior, that you are the one that was sent down to die on that cross for us, and your name is Jesus Christ, Father. We thank you, Lord, for this opportunity today. And I pray to keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name, we pray, amen. All right, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and take care. I hope you guys are doing all right. Bye. Say bye, babe.
Have a great day, everyone.
All right. Take care, guys.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this Smooth Trader indicator,